Hey there, welcome to Social Waves. Everyone should own a faceless YouTube channel that earns $1,000 per month. Sounds like a dream? It doesn't have to take years to achieve. First, we need a profitable niche. There are two simple steps for this: market research on YouTube and asking AI for help. On Gemini, type this prompt: give me the most profitable niches to start a faceless YouTube channel with a high CPM rate in 2024. Let's choose the fitness niche. It's popular and profitable. Next, let's create an avatar. Go to bing.ai and type, create an image of a fitness influencer aged 18 to 22 with an attractive face and a dominant accent. And just like that, you've got your digital persona. Now, it's time to write your script. Research is key. Use AI to craft a blueprint and then personalize it. This gives you a strong, tailored script that's ready to engage your audience. Let's bring your avatar to life. Use HeyGen.com to make it move and talk. Upload your script, and watch your digital influencer come alive. Editing is where the magic happens. Use Capcut to add related B-rolls, position your avatar in the center, and fine-tune the visuals. This is how you make your video stand out. Now for the final step: growth. Don't just upload and hope for the best. Learn how to optimize your titles, create catchy thumbnails, and boost your channel visibility. And there you have it, a faceless YouTube channel that earns $1,000 a month, all in just 30 days. Ready to get started?